Alright. YouTube's up. I like it. Let's go. Okay, let's just make sure everything looks good. Pop, 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 pop. I think yes. Looks like the titles. I mean, the category's good. What about YouTube? How you looking? Subscriptions. Whoa, that's a lot of subscriptions. Orbem order. It's not showing me live. Oh, yes, it is. Pro Piercer programs. Okay, cool. We're good. Unfortunately, I do not have chat on YouTube open, so if you're chatting with me, I am sorry. But I have not gotten any viewers on YouTube, so it's mainly just to have the catalog. But yeah, come to Twitch if you want to talk. Alright, where am I? So yeah, we're trying to get the tabs doing something, but it looks like the click event's not working. And yeah, I did a second short today, came out. Also not super well received. I probably should have done something more lighthearted, but I did the Unicode one where I was looking at the swastika Unicode. I thought it was funny. But yes, I understand how just looking at the swastika can be offensive. So I'm not taking it down because it's still funny to me, but it is weird that they have that Unicode. And they have it swapped too. Like, what are you doing with those swastika symbols in Unicode? Maybe for like a Wikipedia or like history websites or something. But like, what are you using it for? Within text? I don't know. I know the swastika, you know, used to mean something else, but anyways, whatever. My next shorts that are coming out are actually much funnier and less hateful. But hey, you gotta say, getting a lot of engagement. You know, I'm not trying to get negative engagement, but at the end of the day, it helps the algorithm. More people are going to view it no matter what, even if you click that you dislike it. I mean, if you really want to hurt and not, you know, promote the shorts, then don't click anything. That's how you can stick it to anybody who's coming out with shorts. Just don't interact. I do the same thing with videos I don't like, or like people that just watch other people's stuff and they put their face there and they steal content. I immediately skip. Don't give them the views, even if it's funny, even if it's a stand-up comedian, you know, just skip. Because interaction and watching anything is what gives people, you know, more the algorithm makes it show more to other people. Alright, so current tab. So let's double check I'm doing that right. Is that really it? Current tab is tag menu engage. Tab. Current tab is menu tabs engage. What did I put? God, I never remember my own goddamn classes. Jesus. Look, I didn't even do it right here. Menu tabs. You fucking idiot. Wait, and then we got storage menu engage. Okay, cool. I think this is how it works. Now, once we get the tabs working, we need to collect stuff to show that the tabs work. So I'm gonna make the pillow show up in the menu when you collect it. After I make sure that this works. After I make sure this works. Menu tabs, engage. Item menu, items menu, storage menu, engage, storage menu, engage, storage menu. All of them. Current storage menu. Cool. Okay. Okay, so this needs to work though. Menu tabs, div. What am I doing? I can just do that. Don't think that's a difference, but just think. Oh, you think it's because of this thing? This should still work though, right? Yeah, 'cause it's just for the content. What am I doing wrong? Storage tab isn't working. Well, we now know that this is the wrong way. Index is after. Let's get my lumbar supported. All right. Much better. There we go. Click on the weapons tab. Weapon menu is now engaged. Gear. Good. Good. Alright. Tabs work. Cool, cool, cool. Alright. Now let's put stuff in it. So. I think I do need to make this a data because I wanna be able to target the menu properly. So instead of having it be the class, let's have it be. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, storage menu. Okay, but menu. So let's put this as a data thing instead of a menu. So data menu equals jo. I really am hungry. Okay. That's good. So now what I'm going to do is, in the collect logic, I'm going to want to take the ID of the item. I got to copy these here. So I need the type, which is health, points, or mana. I need the ID, which is the post ID. And then I need the name, which I'm calling title, so you can scroll over it. So I need to basically replicate this. I need to create a span and insert it in to the menu like that. Perfect. We know what to do, and then we'll target it by menu. Data menu, shoot. I don't know. Just make it a little complicated because how do I categorize this into which menu it's going to go into? I mean, I know how to categorize. I could make a new taxonomy for this, but is it just a mapping to data type, or can a health item be a weapon and a gear, or an item and a gear? I don't think a health item. I think a health item is always going to be an item. I mean, even if your gear gives you like health over time or something, I'd still not type that as health. In fact, I'm probably gonna have to come up with a new type of explore point, because gear needs to be its own thing. Yeah, health will be, so I can put a mapping, I think. I'll just use a data type mapping. So let's actually add that real quick. We'll add weapon is a new type. And so is gear. Okay. So let's go to class. Let's go to taxonomy. Alright. Where's the array? Here we go. Oh, right, dumb. I don't need to define it. It's already in here. You just have to add it. Oh, come on, son. I didn't want to do that. Okay. So explore point. We already know that health is health. And tester is going to be our tester. That's a little item menu is going to show up. It's collectible. Alright, cool. And then we have value type, which is health. Ooh, there's area. Health, feature image. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I think we're good. Now, eventually I'll have gear and weapon. Gear and weapon will be extra. The only problem is I'm using value type to define what they get when they collect it. So I'll have to because point, I want to give you points when you collect. I guess I don't want to give you points when you collect a weapon or gear. So maybe this, yeah, so then it would be separate. Yeah, because I was going to say, like, maybe I give you points every time you collect something, but I mean, the weapon you're going to use, so you don't get points for that. You get points for picking up. I mean, what do you get points for picking up anymore? Nothing. You get points for killing people. So I guess maybe I don't even need points here. I guess talking to people and stuff gives you points, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay, let's just get back to collecting. So we'll have a mapping. I have my HTML I need. Let's go to the collectible. Alright, so this removes when it collects. It also needs to do some stuff. Oh, no. This is just... Yeah, we don't want to do that. This is the no point thing. I need the other part. Here we go. Yeah, this is just for collectible. So you remove the collectible. And then we need to basically create this span and put it in the menu. Why is the spacing different? That's weird. Okay, so let's get the menu. Storage. Yeah, we should just make a function because we're going to be doing this for things. So store item. And then we'll just add the value here. This is add storage item. Add item to storage menu. Alright. Add item to storage menu. And then param is value. Yeah, we'll do item. And then function add storage item. Is that what it is? Or add to storage menu. God, I have the worst memory. It's store item. Right. Much simpler. You know, that's actually too simple. Let's go store Orbem or store explore item. Let's do that. That's better. I just feel like store item is like a key value pair Redis thing or something. Store explore item. There we go. So what's going to happen? What's going to happen is we're going to get the items stuff. We'll put this here as a reference. And then we'll do const. So we need the type. So type equals get attribute data type. We need ID, which I think we do not put ID on the front end. Oh man, I might be too hungry. Whoops, wrong one. So items, I have to find an item. Okay, you. X4 point. Do I put the ID here? I don't. I can't get the name though. Guess I can just get it by name. Not like ID would be too hard to add. What do you think? Should I add ID? Pretty sure it's just item ID. Item, oh, here's name. Okay, let's see if I remember this. Clean class name. Class clean name. Clean class name. Item dot class name. Nailed it. Okay. And then we'll do const menu item equals document.create element. And we're going to create a span. Right. Then we're going to add a bunch of shit to it. Add menu attributes. So it's going to be menu item dot set attribute. It's going to be data type. It's going to be type. Menu item dot set attribute. Data ID. Oh no, it's just ID. ID. Oh no, it says data ID. Dumb. That's fine. I don't want them to have the same ID. Attribute data name. I think. Nope. Title. Name. Awesome. And then let's add some class name. Class name storage item. Alright. There she blows. That's the menu item. And I need the menu equals document. Now how? I'll just append it, right? Maybe I'll add a drag and drop system where you can reorder it, but if I do that, then I'm gonna just save it by array in the order it comes. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Query selector. What is it called? It's called storage menu. By the type. And I need a map. So let's get const menu type equals get menu type, which will be a helper function. Map for menu types. It's going to be item type. And that's going to be menu types equals it's going to be yeah, I was going to do it like this. Health gives you item. Right? We'll start with that. We'll add more as we add more. And then we'll do return menu type. Isn't that shamble? What, do you need that? Why are you so broken, bro? Oh. Dumb. I think that's good. I'm just gonna... Okay, there we go. It's going. Takes a while. I'm gonna get rid of this. Guess I can make this a object instead. That's fine. Now just do that. Cool. Sure. Unnecessary. How dare you? My semicolons are always necessary. Okay. Menu type. Class name stored item. And now we're going to get this, which is going to be data menu. Data menu equals this. Menu type. Yeah. If add to menu. Okay. Menu. Menu. Menu dot. Menu dot append. Menu item. I think that's it. Now the only thing that I need to fix is get map item HTML. And let's add an ID. Where's the beginning HTML? It's right here. That's the start. Yep, for everything. We'll do ID equals. This is very ugly, by the way. This is getting a little big. Explore point ID. Cool. Now, should be good. What am I not using menu for? Menu's right here, bro. Menu's right here. Menu type. Menu types right here. Why is it acting like they're not being used? I hate the lag on this thing, man. Okay. Let's see what happens. See if it adds the menu item when I collect it. Wait, am I even using this function? Oh, excuse me. Yeah, right before it removes it. Okay. I mean, this is a first try worker, man. Let's check right here. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, shoot. I started empty. Should I start it empty? Yeah, it has to start empty. So I basically basically have to look for an empty one and then replace it. So like all these, hold on. No. So all these storage items, I basically have to look. So const current storage items equals document dot query selector all. Now we're gonna look at even better. We're gonna look at the specific one we're gonna use. Menu, storage item, and what we're gonna do is if menu and current storage items. I'm gonna have to loop this. So first off, if, I mean, this needs to be inside the if. There we go. If current storage items, we're gonna do current storage items for each current storage item. So what's gonna happen is, if there's a lot of ifs in here, current storage item dot text content, then we need to current storage item dot remove, and then menu item append return, which will break us out of the loop. Yeah. So this should look, and if it's empty, it'll remove the first one that's empty, and then it'll append this to the back. We'll see how it works. Okay, we got that. We've got let's keep an eye on this menu. And this is gonna go to items. Ooh, items. Shoot. Items with an S. Try again. Feeling before I start. Okay. Items. Very good. Okay. So items is the first one. Alright, now it's empty. Got nothing. So now, when I run into this shit, then it should technically add to that fourth slot this item, unless I mess something up. I have console errors? No. Third-party cookies will be blocked. Learn more. Telling you, man. They're already screwing with me. Luckily, I'll only be using first-party cookies, but, you know. Okay, here we go. Did you think it was gonna work? I thought it was gonna work. Let's see if it got added to another menu. No, it didn't. Shit. So why wouldn't that work? Because everything technically... Oh, shoot. That's definitely not gonna work. That'll work. Oh, that's not gonna work either. Womp. Just to make sure nothing else is stupefied. Pop is stupefied. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, let's try again. I need a new game. That's weird. I didn't even click OK. Wait, that's because it didn't give me a new game. What the hell? Oh. Weird. Okay. That's weird. I like started, continued game, but okay. Alright, storage, here we go. God damn it, stop. Alright. Let's run on in. Where you at? Here we go, here we go. Work. You bitch. Why are you not working? No, it doesn't go shit. Storage item, storage menu. Items, data, menu. Here's the menu. Query selected data menu. Yeah? Items. Health. Well, let's start console WoW again. Figure out what's wrong here. I'm gonna start with menu. Type. Let's see that. That'll be very telling. And then pinned might not be the working thing. Usually it works, I think. Let's try this loop too. In case it's not empty, you know, maybe. Oh, it's not empty, there's a space. What you wanna bet, that's the problem. That'd be a stupid problem, but not a hard problem to solve. Alright. No game. Yes. That's a weird place to start me in a new game. Why does it keep doing that? Something's up with the new game reset. Okay. I don't actually have to have the menu open. There's nothing to put in there. I mean, there's nothing to see when it goes in there. So let's just see. Come on. Nothing. Items. Correct. So we know that works. So that means that this menu type items is probably working fine. And then let's see what we're getting here. I'm interested. Current storage room. Because text content could be the wrong thing to look for. I don't think so, but okay, that worked that time. Alright, come on. Let's get in there. Alright. We have 4 empties. It is a space. Weird. So it kept going, even though I have a space here. So does this not equal this? It should. I mean, I could just do that for now and stop messing around with spaces. Let's just do that. We'll do that. If text content equals that, then boom. And do that. I don't need this anymore. This song is called Iona's Poison. I was trying to do some different types of music when I was making music for the book. And yeah, I found this guy who does like classic Scottish instruments and stuff. And it's not exactly what I wanted it to come out to be. So I never really like finished writing the actual lyrics and stuff. I'm just kind of singing and doing random sounds and singing in the background of the song right now, but it's cool. It just kind of seemed fake. Like the sounds, like he's probably playing some of them, but some of them seem like fabricated digital instruments. I mean, maybe all of them are, to be honest. Oops. Reset again. Right. Okay. see what I get. I think it's just gonna work. Welp. It worked. Kinda. Only problem is it removed all of them. It didn't, the return didn't work. How do you break out of a for each? If that. Remove and then, yeah, let's look it up again. I thought I already looked it up and return was it. Break out of for each loop in JavaScript. Yeah, I think I've already looked this up. There's no way to stop or break a for each loop other than by throwing an exception. But that's from 14 years ago. I'm sure there's a way now. No, there's not. Gotta try catch, throw, break exception. Break exception. Stupid. Sum returns true. Well, then let's not do it this way. I don't mind. Fine, yeah. Looping through all of it's true. I wonder. I kind of like the idea of like building an array, so like doing empty slots, right? And then we do one of these where it's like empty slots. This equals current storage item. I don't think you can do that, building an array of elements. I have an idea. Let's do this. Data empty equals true. And then we'll just make it false. And then we can query it. You know? And then we don't need the for each. We can just do storage item, and we'll do the first one that's empty. Dada. Dada. Empty equals true. Right? Don't double up on me, brah. And it'll be the first one. And then we'll just remove it. Do all this, remove all this. Remove all this junk, because I don't need it. I made it more simple. And then we'll remove it. Current storage item. Yeah, let's call it empty storage item. Don't do that. And the whole reason why I'm putting in an if statement, if your items are full, like your slots are full, I don't want to add. So I'll add like a little, you know, if none of them are empty, then I'll do alert. Whoops. For your storage is full. Right. Your type menu type storage. Your item storage is full, like that. Be like, thanks, dude. Thanks for telling me. Alright. So let's try that. I have a good feeling about this. I'm getting the first data empty true. And then removing it. Oops. Removing it. And then just adding to the menu. Perfecto. And I think this is it. If this works, I'm out of here. Because I need to sleep. So I can wake up early, take the kids to school. Alright, new game. Nope. That was not good. Oh, it worked. Okay, fine. Forget what I said. Alright, let's check this. Looks good. Data empty true. Lego. We gon' collect something. It's gonna work. First try. And there she goes. Womp. We now have 4 items, and the 4th one is a data type health, data ID, data empty is false. Very, very cool, my friend. And let's, oh, well. So it works. Only thing is I'm not saving it to the database right now, so if I refresh it'll be gone. But the front end portion of it's good. And I have the data ID right there. So when you want to use it, you just go in here and you click it. And then that'll pull the menu description up and give you a little action button. Either it's equipped or use or drop. I'll allow you to drop your items, you know what I mean, that kind of stuff, and I'll just remove it from the array. Okay. I think we're good. Thanks everybody. Be on again tomorrow. Schedule is like every day but Sunday. Trying to give myself Sunday to edit, to create shorts and stuff like that from all the other days. I do have a short scheduled every day of the week, except for Saturday. I guess I didn't think about that. I'll create one for Saturday and Sunday. I want a short every day. They really help views and exposure to the channel and to the Twitch stream. So hopefully people come over from YouTube and start following, because we're on a road to affiliate. And honestly, I just want exposure for Orbem in the series. You know, I really want to reach as many eyes as possible to read the book. to get involved in the series, get involved in the universe. I think it's a really cool universe that can really grow. That's why I built so much content around it, so music and video game and art and you know, it's something I like to get lost into, and it's a lot of fun. I hope other people think it's fun too. I got some good reviews and stuff, but not a lot of interaction and engagement firsthand with readers and fans of the series. So I mean, I have a feeling until I actually finish the series and like can sell box sets and stuff, it's not gonna blow up as much as I want, because people want to finish it. This is not Harry Potter, you know. People love to finish the entire series, so we'll see. But anyways, have a good night, or whatever time it is when you're watching this, and I'll catch you in the next